Many of us may be experiencing early vision deterioration, especially in today's world where we spend so much time staring at screens. However, if we provide our eyes with the right conditions, they have the ability to heal themselves. One simple yet effective method to improve eye health is using castor oil. Just a drop of castor oil applied to the eyelids daily can help reduce cataract formation and support overall vision improvement. 1. The impact of technology on eye health. In today's digital age, many of us spend a significant portion of our day looking at screens, whether for work, entertainment, or communication. This prolonged close-range focus on devices like smartphones, computers, and TVs can place tremendous strain on our eyes. Our eyes are designed to focus on objects at varying distances, but when we engage in close-up tasks for extended periods, the muscles responsible for near vision become overworked, while those that help us focus on distant objects remain underused. This imbalance can lead to digital eye strain, causing discomfort such as dry eyes, headaches, blurry vision, and difficulty focusing. Over time, excessive screen use can accelerate eye fatigue and contribute to other vision problems. The solution? Experts recommend that we incorporate long-range viewing into our daily routine. For every hour spent on close-up tasks, it's beneficial to take a break and spend a few minutes looking at distant objects like trees, buildings, or the sky. This allows the eyes to relax and engage the long-range muscles. Moreover, taking regular breaks from screens not only reduces eye strain but also helps alleviate the risk of developing chronic eye problems. 2. Exercises and habits to improve vision. When it comes to strengthening our eyes, exercise plays an essential role, just like with any other part of our body. Rebounding, jumping on a mini trampoline, is one of the most effective exercises for improving eye health. While rebounding enhances overall blood circulation, it's particularly beneficial for the eyes because it helps increase the blood flow to the retina, optic nerve, and other essential eye structures. The key to rebounding's effectiveness lies in changing focus every few seconds while jumping. This simulates the act of looking at different distances, which helps exercise both the near and far vision muscles. The continuous shift in focus builds the flexibility and strength of the eye muscles, preventing them from becoming rigid due to constant close-up focus. In addition to rebounding, another simple exercise is the palming technique. Rub your hands together to generate warmth, then gently place your palms over your closed eyes for a minute or two. This simple practice not only relaxes the eyes but also enhances blood circulation and reduces stress around the eye area. 3. The dangers of overusing sunglasses. While sunglasses are essential in certain situations, such as driving in the city, skiing, or when the sun's glare is particularly harsh, wearing them unnecessarily in regular daylight can interfere with the body's natural adaptive processes. Normally, when you step outside into bright sunlight, your eyes send signals to your brain, which helps regulate the strength of sunlight your body needs to protect itself, such as prompting your skin to produce melanin to prevent sunburn. However, when you wear sunglasses all the time, the brain does not receive these important signals, which can impair the body's ability to naturally adjust to sunlight. For instance, wearing sunglasses in normal sunlight prevents your eyes from sending signals to the brain that the sun is strong, which can lead to skin sunburns and disrupt your body's protective responses. When to wear sunglasses? In scenarios where the sun's glare is dangerous, such as when driving on a bright, sunny day or skiing in snowy conditions, sunglasses are helpful to protect the eyes from excessive light exposure and potential damage from glare. In these cases, the right pair of sunglasses can prevent discomfort and eye strain. 4. The importance of sunlight. Exposure to natural sunlight is essential for maintaining eye and brain health. Sunlight plays a crucial role in regulating our circadian rhythms, which govern sleep, wakefulness, and overall bodily functions. In the early morning and late afternoon, the sunlight has a gentle intensity that benefits the eyes and helps reset the body's internal clock. It's important to note that looking directly at the sun can damage the eyes, but just being outside and allowing sunlight to enter your eyes indirectly, such as with your eyes closed, allows the ultraviolet rays to pass through the skin, stimulating the pineal gland in the brain. This interaction has numerous benefits, including better sleep at night and improved mood during the day. Sunlight helps regulate melatonin production, a hormone that plays a significant role in sleep quality. By exposing the eyes to sunlight for about 10 to 15 minutes in the morning, you can naturally improve your sleep patterns and reset your body clock. Additionally, sunlight stimulates the release of important neurochemicals that help protect and strengthen the eyes over time. 5. Natural remedies for eye health. In addition to castor oil, which is known for its ability to break down cataracts and reduce eye strain, there are several herbal remedies that can benefit the eyes. One effective remedy is an herbal eye wash. A mixture of golden seal and eyebright herbs in warm water can be used as an eye wash to soothe irritated, dry, or bloodshot eyes. These herbs have natural anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce redness and discomfort. Eyebright is a traditional herb used in herbal medicine for various eye conditions, such as conjunctivitis and eye strain. It contains compounds that have antioxidant and astringent effects, helping to reduce inflammation and improve circulation to the eyes. Golden seal, another powerful herb, is known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help heal infections and improve overall eye health. 6. Hydration and sleep. Hydration is key for overall health, but it's particularly important for eye health. The eyes are composed mostly of water, and staying hydrated ensures that the cells in the eyes remain nourished and that the tear ducts can produce enough moisture to prevent dryness. Dehydration can lead to dry, itchy eyes, blurred vision, and overall discomfort. In addition to hydration, getting enough sleep is essential for eye health. The eyes need sufficient rest to repair and regenerate. Ideally, aim for 8 hours of sleep per night. Starting around 9 p.m. sleep allows the eyes to rest from the constant strain of focusing during the day. Moreover, the deep sleep phase promotes eye cell regeneration and supports overall vision health. Reducing screen time before bed is crucial for quality sleep. The blue light emitted by screens can interfere with melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and rest the eyes properly. Limiting screen exposure an hour before bed can help improve sleep quality and, by extension, eye health. 7. Nutrition for eye health. A nutritious diet is the foundation for strong eyes and good vision. To support eye health, it's crucial to avoid foods that promote inflammation, such as processed sugars, refined grains, and dairy. These foods can increase the acidity in the body, which may contribute to the formation of crystals in the eyes and other organs, like the kidneys and gallbladder. Over time, this can lead to cataracts and other eye issues. Instead, focus on a diet rich in fiber, clean proteins, and healthy fats. Fiber from plant-based foods, vegetables, fruits, whole grains, helps reduce inflammation and supports healthy blood circulation, which is essential for nourishing the eyes. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, including those in the eyes. Legumes, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of protein that are easy on the digestive system. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, olive oil, and coconut oil, help nourish the membranes around each cell, including the cells in the eyes, providing them with the energy and nutrients they need to stay healthy. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can provide your eyes with the nourishment they need to stay strong and maintain optimal vision for years to come. By following these comprehensive strategies for eye care, from natural remedies to proper nutrition, you can maintain healthy eyes and even improve your vision over time. Your eyes are incredibly resilient, and with the right habits and care, you can preserve and enhance your vision naturally.